What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make grilled chicken wraps. They're great for meal preps. They're basically really easy and convenient to make, so stay tuned. I'm going to start first by making the marinade for the chicken. So to this bowl I'm adding some Worcestershire sauce. Next I'm going to add some onion powder, some curry powder, some black pepper, and some salt. Next I'm going to whisk all of this together until it's properly dissolved. Next I'm going to place the chicken breast in the marinade. Make sure that every inch is covered. And then I'm going to cover the bowl with some cling film and let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour. You can leave it longer if you have the time. After an hour, you take it out and you want to grill this either in the oven or on an open grill. I did mine on an open grill for about 15 minutes. When you take it off the grill, leave it for about 10 minutes to rest before you cut into it. And then you want to slice it into thin strips. When you leave your chicken to rest after taking it out of the oven before you cut into it, it doesn't let the juice run out, so you end up with really juicy chicken pieces, which is exactly what we need for this chicken wrap. Now that I've finished cutting up my chicken, I'm going to make the sauce. So in a bowl, we're going to put some mayonnaise, some ketchup, or you can use barbecue sauce if you want, but I prefer to do ketchup. I'm also going to add a little bit of honey, some black pepper, and we're going to mix this all together. Now this sauce can get a little bit thick, that's why I have that milk sitting next to the bowl. So I'm going to add a little bit just to thin it out. It's optional, you don't have to do this if you don't mind your sauce being thick. So I'm just going to mix this up and then set it aside. I've just microwaved my tortillas for 30 seconds. So first I'm going to put the sauce on the base. And then I'm going to spread the chicken in the middle of the tortilla. It's a grilled chicken wrap, so feel free to use as much chicken as you want. Next I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes, and I'm also going to spread that along the middle of the wrap. And next the lettuce. So you can use as much or as little as you want, but make sure that you don't overstuff the tortilla wrap, because otherwise it becomes difficult to wrap. So I'm doing an open tortilla. I've only folded one end of it and I'm just wrapping it. And that's it. You can pin this with a toothpick if you want to hold it in, or you just turn it wrap down. So we do the next one, the sauce again. Some chicken along the middle. some chopped tomatoes. You can add carrots and bell peppers if you want. And next, the lettuce. Remember not to overstuff. You can add some more sauce on the top if you want it really juicy, or you can skip it. And you just fold one end of the wrap like that, and then you try to wrap the stuffings in. My stuffings have fallen out, so just stick them back in, and that's your tortilla wrap. Basically, the tortillas are already cooked, so you can just eat it straight away. For the third one, I'm going to cut my tortillas in half. So I'm going to put the sauce on the bottom, put the chicken, some tomatoes, and some lettuce. Bear in mind, they actually sell bigger tortilla wraps, so if you wanted a big one, you could get a big one. I'm going to fold both ends and then wrap my filling in. This is another way to make a tortilla wrap. I can just cut it along the middle and you have a closed wrap. You can make this for the kids, and it's a good size for little children, I think. And there's my tortilla wrap. I hope you've enjoyed watching this recipe, and do try it out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.